Hi students, today we are going to study about some important integrals using substitutions technique. So our first function is integrate tanx dx. Students, here we cannot integrate tanx directly, so here I is equal to tanx dx. We can write tanx is equal to sin x upon cosx dx. Here we put cos x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get the derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, and dx is equal to dt. Now therefore I is equal to the value of sin x into dx is equal to, from here this implies sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now sin x dx is equal to minus dt, therefore minus dt upon cos x is equal to t. This implies minus 1 by t dt. We know that integral of 1 by t dt is equal to log mod of t plus c. Here log the value of t is equal to cos x, and mod of cos x plus c. Now here minus log mod of cos x plus c can be written as log mod of cos inverse x plus c. Since we know that log x to the power k is equal to k log x, using this concept we can write minus log cos x is equal to log cos inverse x. Here log cos inverse x written as 1 upon cos x plus c is equal to log 1 by cos x is equal to secx plus c, which is the required integral of tan x. Now second is cotx dx. Let it will solve same process as tan x. Here I is equal to cot x dx is equal to cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x dx equal to, now here if we put sin x is equal to t and differentiate it, we get cos x. So we can assume here sin x is equal to t. So put sin x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Sin x is equal to the derivative of sin x is equal to cos x is equal to dt upon dx. This implies cos x dx is equal to dt. Now from here I is equal to cos x dx. The value of cos x dx is equal to dt and sin x is equal to t. This implies 1 by t dt, and we know that the integral of 1 by t is equal to log mod of t plus c equal to log the value of t is equal to sin x plus c, which is the required integral of cotx dx. Now students, next function is secx dx. Let I is equal to secx dx. Here students, to integrate this function we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by secx plus tanx. Secx plus tanx. So here multiply the numerator and denominator by secx plus tanx. We get I is equal to secx into secx plus tanx upon secx plus tanx dx. Now opening the brackets we get sec square x plus secx into tanx upon secx plus tanx dx. Now students, if we assume secx plus tanx and differentiate it, we will get the value of sec square x plus secx into tanx dx. So now here we assume secx plus tanx is equal to t. To put secx plus tanx is equal to t equal to, now differentiate with respect to x both sides. This implies the derivative of secx is equal to secx into tanx plus the derivative of tanx is equal to sec square x is equal to dt by dx. Then dx will be here, dx is equal to dt. This implies, now from here I is equal to sec square x plus sec x into tan x, sec x into tan x dx is equal to dt. Now therefore dt upon secx plus tanx is equal to t. This implies 1 by t dt. We can write here 1 by t dt is equal to log t plus c. Now students, the value of t is equal to secx plus tanx. Secx plus tanx plus c. Now this is the integral of secx dx. Now last function is cosecx dx. Let I is equal to cosecx dx. Here it will be solved the process same as to find the integral of secx. But here for cosecx we have to multiply the denominator and numerator, by cosecx plus cotx. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by cosecx plus cotx, we get I is equal to cosecx into cosecx plus cotx upon cosecx plus cotx dx. Now students, here opening the bracket we get cosec square x plus cosecx into cotx upon cosecx plus cotx dx. Now here same activity we have to do here like secx. Here cosecx plus cotx, put cosecx plus cotx is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get the derivative of cosecx is equal to minus cosecx into cotx plus cotx. The derivative of cotx is equal to minus cot square x. Cot square x is equal to, not cot square x, the derivative of cotx is equal to minus cosec square x. Sorry, not cot square x, this is cosec square x. So the derivative of cotx is equal to minus cosec square x, so this plus will be changed in minus sign. So here minus cosec square x. Cosec square x is equal to dt upon dx. This implies we can write, if we multiply both sides by minus sign, here will be cosec square x plus cosec x into cotx equal into dx is equal to minus dt. Minus dt. So now here cosec square x plus cosec x into cotx dx is equal to minus dt, and cosec x plus cotx is equal to t. Now I is equal to integration of minus dt upon t is equal to minus 1 by t dt, and we know that minus the integral of this part will be log mod t plus c. Now we have to put the value of t. Now students, our space is over, so I am erasing here. Now from here minus I is equal to minus log the value of t, or t is equal to cosec x plus cotx, cosec x plus cotx plus c. Now students, we can write this part log 1 upon log cos sec x plus cotx inverse plus c is equal to log 1 upon cosec x plus cotx plus c. Here students, using this property, log x to the power k is equal to k log x. Now students, here we have to use the identity cosec square x minus cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. Now we reduce 1 into cosec square x minus cot square x. Log cosec square x minus cot square x upon cosec x plus cot x plus c. Now log using a square minus b square, the formula a square minus b square, we can write cosec x plus cot x into cosec x minus cot x upon cosec x plus cot x. Cosec x plus cot x, cosec x plus cat x cancel. So now log cosec x minus cot x plus c, which is the required integral of cosecx dx. Okay. Then now students, I briefing this formula here students. We discuss the integral of tanx dx, cotx dx, secx dx, and cosecx dx. Tanx dx is equal to log secx plus c. Cotx dx is equal to log sin x plus c. Secx is equal to log secx plus tan x plus c, and cosecx is equal to log cosecx minus cotx plus c. So first of all students, you can try to find the integral of these functions and learn it, because it will be very useful to solve our integrals. So today is enough. Thank you students.